Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we test the products you are curious about, honestly, thoroughly, and with a touch of beauty science. Today, we're diving into a tool that's built a solid reputation in the professional grooming space, the Andis 12660 Professional Master Corded Cordless Hair Trimmer. This is a high-performance hair clipper designed for precise cutting, fading, and edging, and it's often used by barbers and stylists. But how does it hold up under real-life use at home? Let's find out. This trimmer features an adjustable carbon steel blade that moves from size 000 to size 1, allowing for very close cuts. It's designed to deliver clean, sharp lines, whether you're trimming your hair, beard, mustache, or sideburns. One of the standout features is the dual-use function. It works both corded and cordless, giving you flexibility depending on your setup. At 7,200 cutting strokes per minute, the motor is built for professional-level speed and power. The body is solid and sleek in silver aluminum housing, and inside, it packs a lithium-ion battery that gives you up to 90 minutes of use on just a 1-hour charge. In the box, you also get a charging stand, adapter, cleaning brush, and blade oil, so it's a complete grooming setup. I had my husband test this one out since it's specifically designed for shorter haircuts and facial grooming, and he gave me a full breakdown. First off, this trimmer feels premium in the hand. He mentioned the metal body gives it weight, but it's not too heavy to maneuver. The blade adjustment is simple, and the zero-gap capability is great for sharp fades and edging. He tested it on both a fresh haircut touch-up and a beard trim, and the consistency of power, especially cordless, was impressive. Even after 30 minutes of continuous use, it didn't slow down or overheat. Now, the precision is where this tool shines. It's a go-to for tight fades and edging out crisp lines, and that's exactly what it delivered. But it's not whisper quiet. The motor has a hum, which is expected from a clipper of this power, but worth noting if you're trimming late at night or around a sleeping toddler. Another thing, while the adjustable blade is fantastic for fades, if you're looking for clipper guards or attachments for different lengths, you'll need to purchase those separately. On the plus side, the build quality is exceptional. This is the kind of tool that's made to last years with proper maintenance. The blade stays sharp, and the housing is tough enough to withstand accidental drops. The 90-minute battery life is a real game changer if you travel or just want to ditch the cord altogether. It charges quickly too, an hour and you're back in action. It also fits well into a home grooming setup if you're someone who likes clean edges between barber visits. But there are a few trade-offs. This is not a beginner trimmer. If you've never cut hair before, the power and precision could be intimidating. And while the lack of guard attachments can give you more control, it also limits versatility unless you're already skilled at blending. And yes, it's on the pricier end, so it's important to know if you're investing in something you'll fully utilize. Speaking of price, let's talk about value. At around the $150 to $200 range depending on where you buy, this is firmly in the premium clipper category. But considering the quality of the carbon steel blade, the high-speed motor, and the dual power mode, the value is there for professionals or serious at-home groomers. You're paying for power, longevity, and precision. If you just need a basic beard trimmer for quick touch-ups, you could consider the Wall Groomsman or Philips Norelco Series 5000 as more affordable alternatives. But for edge control and fade detailing, they don't match the performance of the Andis Master. Compared to similar professional models like the Wall Magic Clip Cordless, the Andis offers a sturdier build and slightly more precision, especially with blade adjustment. However, the Magic Clip tends to be lighter and includes guards. So if you're new to self-fading, that might be a more user-friendly choice. But if you're confident with blade handling or want that clean barbershop result, the Andis has the edge. Durability-wise, this thing is a tank. The metal body resists cracks and dents, the motor is built for long-term use, and with blade oiling and cleaning, you'll get years out of it. It's not a throw-in-the-drawer trimmer. It deserves a permanent spot on the grooming counter. We didn't have to contact customer service for anything, but Andis has a strong reputation in the barbering community for reliable support. Replacement parts like blades and chargers are also readily available if you need them down the road, which adds to the long-term value. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. So here's the bottom line. The Andis 12660 Professional Master Corded Cordless Hair Trimmer delivers on what it promises: high performance, durable construction, and ultra-precise grooming. It's best suited for experienced users or those looking to upgrade to a professional level tool at home. It's not for the casual once-a-week trimmer, but if clean lines and fade control matter to you, it absolutely lives up to its reputation. If you've got the skill or the patience to learn, it's worth every penny. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You'll find the link to this product in the description or comments below. And if you've used the Andis Master, drop a comment. What's your experience been like? We'd love to hear it. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.